Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, it is saying construct a minimal DFA which accepts set of all string over A comma B such that third symbol from LHS is A. Now from third symbol, the left hand side from left hand side the third symbol should be A. So first symbol can be anything, second symbol can be anything, but the third symbol from left hand side should be A. So initial state by getting AB is the first symbol, anything you can have. Second symbol again you can have anything, but the third symbol should have A, then accept it. After that any combination of A comma B, but if you are getting B, reject it, go to the dead state. So for this kind of question you are seeing that if I am asking second symbol from left hand side should A, then you got like this. First symbol can be anything, second symbol this, accepted, after that any combination of, then B, dead state, any combination of A comma B. So when it is second symbol from left hand side is A, you are getting how many state? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second symbol A, you are getting 4 state. Third symbol A, you are getting 5. So similarly, fourth symbol you will get how much? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you will get how much? See plus 2, 6 states. So write the note. So in general, if nth symbol from LHS is either A or B, means for A we have seen, similarly for B also we can see. If I say that LHS from left hand side is B, then also you will require the same number of states. So either A or B, then the number of state in minimal DFA is n plus 2. So if I am saying nth symbol from LHS is either A or B, then you are going to get n plus 2 over the given segment. See, here I am taking now for B. So if I will say for B, what you will do, initial state by getting either A comma B, this is saying the first symbol, then this is saying the second symbol. Now by getting B, third symbol. Now if you get A, now for getting A you will go to dead state. Any combination of A comma B, and after getting B you can have anything. Okay. So here third symbol it was saying for B. So whether they are asking for the third symbol should be A or B, it will require same number of states, that is going to n plus 2. So third symbol, so you require 5, see 3 to 5.